this is Kennedy and you are watching Sec BMX, and today we're gonna bike check this fucking bike. Alright, so alright, let's see. First, I got my handle grips. Can you see my handle grips? And it costs around 50 bucks. Yeah. And shadow grips. You see the shadow? Yeah. And my handlebars, Dan Lazy Bars UK. Okay bars. And 9 rice, no? 8.75, brother. So, and I got my front load. It's Animal. Yeah, you may are Animal. And I got my frame. Safe. Yeah, check it out. Safe frame. Alright. It's 20.6 top tube and 13.75 stump. Yeah. And of course, color white. Damn it. And I got my headset. Skull Candy headset. Yeah. Next, I got my cranks. Electrical tape cranks. Brand new. And my pedals. Halogene pedals. Plastic pedals. PC pedals. With titanium bolts. White gold bolts pala. Tanga. Plus alambre. Alright. And my chain.
Huh?
And you see my chain. Hey, why are you interrupting us?
Dito?
And we have chain.
Doon.
Anong chain to? Chain knuckles by Voltes 5. And I got my tires, man. United BSD tires. And 2.4. Both front wheel and rear wheel. Signature by James Bogus. And next, I got my coaster. Yeah, sound check, coaster. Brrr. It's a Benzo cavity. And my rims, Piranha. Mura lang, 200. Next, we have front load. My front load, Alienation, galing Taiwan. Plus,
May kasama ng pig.
Piranha and
May kasamang pig.
long pegs. Long pegs. Mini pegs.
Long pigs.
And my Pito. Titanium Pito.
Nakaw lang ko sa motor ah.
Ayan, mura lang yan. 250 isa. And of course, scrap bike, Rayos, all goods. And of course, my seat. Seat tube, monoblock. Gawang
Electrical tape.
Gawang yan, Hanabishi. Plus Hawk bag. Plus Duratex foam and leather. Nakita nyo, Lacoste leather. So, ang halaga nitong aking wait. I got my fork. Yeah. This fork, Jollibee fork. Yeah. And ang halaga ng bag na to, i-reveal na natin. Nasa 150,000 din tong natin.
Mahal din pala, no?
Kasi yung pintura pa lang, talaga naman
20,000 na.
Never forever. Never bumpo.
Never forever.
Mabasa, nakabaliktad. So, mura-mura lang naman yan. 150,000, kaya nyo yan, guys. Lalo sa mga beginners dyan, avail nyo lang to. Maniwala, gago. Okay. Bike mo, testing mo. Try. The testing ni Kennedy.
Comedy.
Boy Gasgas, Gabe. Makikita kayo niyan.
Ayun, Max, basag yung harap.
Tirahin mo, tirahin mo.
Kesek, basag yung harap po.
Tirahin mo.
Gabe, sabi nga nila wala sa bike yan. Nasa gumagamit. Oh, di ba? Kita-kita nyo naman.
150,000 na lang yan.
Di ba? Yan ang sinasabi natin wala sa bike. Nasa rider yan. Basta porsigido lang. O, di ba? Mamatay-matay na.
Sakit ka.
Like, share, and subscribe.
Ano mo ang sakit?
Mga kagulong.
Hello?
Sakit ka,